Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Fahmi and today I will present my video assignment for the course Programming Technology covering the topic Introduction to Python Programming. What is Python? Python is a high-level general-purpose programming language created to be simple, readable and beginner-friendly. It uses clear English like commands, which make it easy to learn compared to many other languages. Why is Python popular? First, Python is simple and readable. Its syntax is very close to English, which makes it one of the easiest programming languages for beginners to learn. Second, Python is versatile. It can be used in any different fields such as web development, artificial intelligence, data analysis, automation, cybersecurity, and many more. Lastly, Python is cross-platform. It works on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and even some mobile environment. This means the same Python program can run on almost any device. Real-world application of Python. Python is widely used across many industries. Here are some real-world applications. Firstly, web development. Python is framework like the Django and Flask are used to build website, APIs, and back-end server. Second, data science and machine learning. Libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, and scikit-learn make Python the number one choice for AI and data analysis. Third, cybersecurity. Python is used to create scanning tool, penetration, test script, and automate security system. Lastly, automation and scripting. Python can automate repetitive tasks, saving time and human error. How Python execute a program. When we write a Python program in a .py file, the computer does not directly understand it. Python uses several steps to execute the code. Firstly, source code. This is file where we write our instruction. Second, interpreter stage. Python read the code line by line and check for error. Third, bytecode conversion. The code is converted into bytecode with a .pyc extension which is a simpler form of execution. 4. Python virtual machine. The Python virtual machine runs the bytecode step by step. Lastly, machine code output. Finally, the computer performs the actual tasks such as printing, calculating number, or displaying the result. This entire process makes Python easy to run and highly portable across different systems. Now I will explain about the flowchart to find the largest number among A, B, and C. Firstly, the start. Second, it declares variable A, B, and C. Third, the user is asked to enter value for all three variables. Then the decision making begins. First decision is A greater than B? If yes, we go to another decision. Is A greater than C? If yes, the programming print A, meaning A is the largest. If no, the program print C. If A is not greater than B, then the program check is B greater than C. If yes, the program prints B, meaning is the largest. If no, the program prints C. Finally, the program reaches the stop symbol. Each diamond shape in the flowchart represents a decision, and the programs follow a new path depending on whether the answer is true or false. Now I will explain the pseudocode about water level. Firstly, we will start the system. Second, a loop is used to continuously read the water level. 3. If the water level is above 80%, it displays high level and stop the pump. Then if the water level is below 20%, it will display low level and start the pump. If the water level is between 20% and 80%, it display normal level. The loop repeat and the sensor is continually monitor. Then lastly, they ensure that the water tank is always under control and avoid overflow and running empty. Now I will explain about the flowchart water level. Now, the flowchart begins with the start symbol. The first step in the system is to read the current water level from the sensor. This value will be will be used to determine the correct action. After reading the level, the program moves to the first decision symbol. Decision 1 is the water level above 80%. If the answer is yes, the system displays the message high level to stop the pump. This means the tank is almost full, so the pump must be stopped to prevent overflow. If the level is not above 80%, the program continues to the stop second decision. This decision 2 is the water level below 20%. If the answer is yes, the system displays low level to start the pump. This means the water is running low and the pump need to be active or refill the tank. If the water level is not above 80% and not below 20%, that means the water is within the safe range. So the system will display normal level. After the appropriate message is displayed, the program reaches the end symbol. This flowchart shows a simple but effective monitoring system that checks the water level and decide whether to stop the pump, start the pump, or just indicate a normal level. Thanks for watching my slide.